Don't just wonder what the good life is. Live it up at Bedford 645 in New York, where the best of student living awaits. Choose from spacious 3, 6, and 7 bedroom apartments with heating and AC facilities, offering you a comfy bed for restful sleeps, sleek study space, and a cozy dining room. Designed top to bottom for your comfort, from basics like water and electricity to extras like gas, weekly cleaning services, and monthly breakfast. Your rent covers it all. Beyond your room, you can study smart in the co-working space, work it out in the gym, unwind in the cinema room, or avail on-site laundry services. You can snooze your alarm for a little longer because Pratt Institute and St. Joseph's University are located just a short drive away. With buses from DeKalb Avenue or Broadway and subways around the city, your adventures will be super fun. Grab a bite at cozy cafes or dine in at nearby restaurants. So grab your spot at Bedford 645 in New York via amberstudent.com today